All right, guys, so let me ask you a question. Are you pouring time and money into your marketing campaigns or videos or content and it's just not seeing the results you expected? Well, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you three pivotal strategies that turn around and truly really do maximize your ROI. If you don't know what ROI is, it's return on investment or, purchasing that course, right? So I'm Les, and I've been in this space for almost 3 years. I'm a social media strategist, and I help those people who are struggling get real results from your digital marketing, your social media management, whatever you may be doing in the social media space to make money online. That's what I help you turn around and make sales with. So we're deep diving into proven tactics that not only enhance your campaigns, but also drive measurable success. So stay tuned because I've got a special free gift at the end of this video. So stick around, hit the subscribe button wherever it may be around here. Check my links, right, wherever those may be on the screen. The other thing is I'm going to actually walk you through what some of these are. And then there's a link for you to download and make a copy of a free ultimate toolkit for you guys. All right, so let's get into it, shall we? Hey guys, so this is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about SMART goals, right? Do you know what a SMART goal is? And did you skip this step when you started your marketing business? Because that's actually what you're doing is a marketing business, right? So yes, I'm in Canva. Yes, I want to show you that this is something that you guys can do. What is a SMART goal? A SMART goal is defined as specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time, right? So what are your specific targets? Not everybody else's. What does it look like for you to be successful, right? That's your specific goal. Measurable. How do you track your progress? I'm going to show you a couple ways you can do that going forward. I'm going to show you inside of TikTok and inside of Metricool where I use because of those are the most comfortable platforms for me, right? So attainable. Are you seeing realistic goals or setting realistic goals that are challenging but achievable, right? Is that something that you're doing? Is it relevant? Is it relevant to the end goal? Does it serve the relevant purpose of what you're trying to do? If you're trying to get more people into your underwater basket weaving course, then is that happening? Are you seeing enrollments? Are you seeing people learning underwater basket weaving, right? It's the same thing with digital marketing, okay? And time. This one can get a lot of people in trouble. Specifically, setting a deadline to monitor your progress and reevaluate. That deadline doesn't mean that's where you stop, you're done, we're not doing this anymore, we pack it up and go away. That means, can it be achieved in a specific amount of time, right? Those are important pieces to keep in mind because a lot of people, when they get to time, think, okay, if I'm not super successful by this point, I'm done, I'm packing it up, I'm walking away. That's not what it means. It means that we need to look at what we've done and reevaluate and move on. All right. So that's, are you using your SMART goals effectively? You guys need to sit down and actually track this, create these pieces. Okay. We'll get into analytics in the next one. First, don't judge. Yes, I have a lot of tabs open. It takes a lot of tabs open to be able to get you guys the right information, right? So let's dig into it. We're going to talk about tracking and analyzing your data. What works, what doesn't, calls to action, strategies you guys will need to change, okay? Sorry, there's people working in the background. That's the beauty of working from home. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you Metricool. This is what I use personally when I'm managing other people's social medias. I'm only showing you mine because there's proprietary data in there on other people's accounts that I will not show you. But inside, I use Metricool to manage all of the people that I handle, right? Okay, so I manage several brands. We're going to look just at my stuff, all right? So that being said, when you're looking at your data, you really need to start analyzing it. Look, I've grown 177 followers, right? I've got 8 new posts. So my posts are going up again, right? This is showing you growth. Okay. So, and then it's going to show you your balance of followers. Okay. Who's following by what country? My profile views, right? This really dives deep into what your content is doing and the impression sources. It also tells you how many likes, how many comments, how long the video was, what kind of engagement you got, right? Now, you can do this on any platform, okay? This one happens to be connected for Mama Bear Marketing. I also do Marketing Engine, but you can see my posting schedule is down, right? My traffic sources. You can see how all of this works. And you can really look at the stats. You can click on more stats in here, right? So track and analyze your data. It's absolutely critical that you track and analyze your data, because if you don't, you're just going to be poking and hoping, right? So the other thing that I use analytics, I have a business account. So I have really, really, really detailed analytics, okay? As you can see here. Do I recommend you get a business account? Not necessarily. But for me, this was a logical step. Now look, I can schedule inside my business page in bulk, okay? It shows you what's already appeared. You can also schedule ahead of time, which is cool. They updated this feature. But if I look at my analytics, this is my overview, okay? This is what it's looked like. It says my audience that I reached was down 747, right? My profile views have gone down, and that's to be fair because I haven't done a lot in the past week, if I'm being honest, right? My video views were down. It's okay. The new algorithm after TikTok went dark, people are a little unsure of what's going on TikTok, so that makes sense to me, okay? And then the conversion ratings, I don't usually do this because I don't use a lot of ads. Mine's all organic growth, okay? So it gives you your audience, your video, right? Stuff, right? Okay, your video analysis, you can customize it. Cool. And then your ads, if you've ever used ads. I have used ads in the past when I was new, poking and hoping. That being said, it drives ad data as well. These are the analytics that you guys need to be able to look at and deep dive and understand what people are searching for, which is where Creator Search Insights came from on TikTok, okay? So I'm actually going to go ahead and close out of this. This is all your analytics. This is where you guys need to track and refine what's working, what's not. Let's get to the next piece. All right, thanks so much for sticking around. Let's get through the whole video, right? Another place you can look at analytics, and I'm going to include all the links to Metricool, vidIQ, whatnot in the description. So if you want them, go check them out. I will let you know they are affiliate links. Metricool, I don't get anything. vidIQ, I don't get anything either. It's just so you guys get a free trial, all right? So I don't earn anything that I'm aware of from those links, but they are there for you guys to test out. Metricool, vidIQ, those kinds of things, the analytics platforms that I use to grow my account and grow my brands that I support, okay? The brands that I manage. That being said, I'm going to take you to my YouTube page, okay? If you'll notice, there's a little bar up here, okay? This is because I use what's called vidIQ. It gives you channel stats. It gives you, how many watch hours you've had in the past year, in the past 60 minutes, in the past 48 hours, okay? That being said, if I go out to my vidIQ, okay, and I'm going to go into vidIQ, again, I will provide you guys this link in the description. This is what it looks like on the inside, okay? It tells you what it thinks that people are going to think of your scores as far as your thumbnail and the title of the video, right? Whether it's going to capture attention. And if you look at it, what it does is it'll generate, see these views here, the thumbnails, right? This was a short I did. It says it's an all video, but it's not all videos. So if I were to go in and I were to actually look at like ideas, it'll generate a couple of daily ideas for me based on my channel, okay? It's going to teach me the SEO behind what I need, right? What my channel-wide tags are, okay? You can use all of these. You can add all these tags, okay? I don't know why you would want to add some of them, but you know what? They work for some people, and that's okay. But when you're looking at things on just your dashboard in YouTube, like if I were to manage my videos and I would check I have to realize that sometimes the platform itself is not going to give you the best information that you need. Now, YouTube is pretty good, Okay, I will tell you that if you look at just the dashboard, in the last 28 days, I've gained 15 new subscribers. That's pretty awesome, right? My channel's attracting more viewers. I'm over the $500 or 500 subscriber mark, which is pretty awesome in my personal opinion. I'm a tiny account. But that being said, look at all the data it gives you, right? It gives you what's new here, the recent subscribers, right? All the things. You can actually put posts up there, right? There's comments, what are you planning to use? So vidIQ for me is a huge deal because it gives me the capability to look at creating scripts, who my competitors are. If I want to, check in on my competitors, who they are this week, it'll give me that data. Okay. There is so much more for you guys to track and analyze. If you're just going to stick in this business to strictly make money with reselling courses, then you better get really comfy with how to talk to your target audience and what they need. Because a lot of this is going to be recreating the same videos in different ways, saying the same thing over and over again. It's what you're passionate about. That's why I teach people how to make money online. So this is another place that you can analyze your data. Okay. All right, so let's move on to Instagram because Instagram has analytics too, right? So this is inside Instagram. You're going to go to dashboard. You're going to go to insights and either account or content. I'm going to look at content. Okay. Now I have somebody that manages my account for me. So this is nothing that I've done. This is everything that my social media manager has done on Instagram. I handle my YouTube, my TikTok, and my Facebook, but I have somebody else that handles my Instagram for me. So I'm going to check the last 7 days. Now here's what's cool about this. If you click on this number right here, look at what it shows you. First, the accounts that I reached, my followers, my non-followers, my likes and interactions, and my saves, right? That's a big deal. It gives you the ability to see what's changed. This one there was 8, right? This one was a bunch of non-followers that viewed it, right? The interactions were followers, right? So that being said, take the moments and really dig through your analytics. Now I'm going to look at my account analytics, right? My account insights, my views have gone up on my account by non-followers. How cool is that, right? Reels, stories, posts, non-followers, followers. So a lot of people who have never seen my content are now seeing it, okay? The post interactions, most of my followers are engaging with my posts, right? That's pretty awesome. So take the moment, really learn, and not just search out views and trying to go viral, right? That's not the solid answer. In this case, you want to absolutely make sure that you are reading your analytics for what they're worth. You want engaged followers, people who want to learn from you. Solid? All right, we'll catch you in the next piece. All right, guys, so that is everything that I use at the current moment to really monitor and use my SMART goals as far as, analytics and making my ROI count. Remember, that's return on investment. So that's how you significantly, I can't speak apparently today, improve your marketing ROI, right? To help you further, I created a detailed blueprint that outlines these strategies, okay? It's free, okay? There's a link in the description. Make sure you get your copy. I also invite you to join my free Facebook group. It's linked below. It's called Marketing Mastery. There's lots of tips, tricks, techniques in there. There are plenty of ways to get started, okay? Both the download and the group access are completely free. Make sure you take advantage of those resources. If you would like, I do have other ways to help you. Okay, you can work with me directly. You can join my group with 5 other powerful creators. We have Marketing Engine, where we teach you guys this stuff monthly. Any of the links that I'm providing you are either affiliate links or they are free resources for you to use. Okay. And I want to thank you again for watching. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical marketing insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from me. Effective marketing is about smart strategies, not just hard work. All right. So download the blueprint, join our community, and start transforming your marketing today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me.